Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. I will be rejuvenating my model's wig. This is about, I want to say 3 weeks since she's had it on, and I'm going to give her some tighter curls to make it last a little longer. So guys, just stick around. I'm going to be using my Flexi Rods, and I'm going to be using my Marcel curling irons to give her some loose curls on the bottom, and the rods I will use to give her tighter curls to last in the top. This is a wig that I made, I want to say a month ago. I also did the color, so if you guys want to go back and watch that video, feel free. I will place the video in my up next, so it will be right there and you can click on it. So if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit the subscribe button, join the family, and I'll love on you over here. So before the video started, I already laid her lace back down. I'm just rejuvenating it. So guys, this is a watch me work. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to handle it for you. And feel free to leave a like. Get me out there in the algorithms, guys. And excuse my morning voice. I am doing this video really early for you guys because I have an upcoming video for a subscriber. I'm going to put her name maybe at the end of this video, but I have a video for you coming up next. You personally emailed me and I came through for you, so stay tuned for that, my love. So guys, remember I told you all that she had this on for about 3 weeks now. The lace glue that I use is Bold Hold Active. When I tell you that glue, it left the lace really clean. It wasn't like really sticky and filmy, or it didn't like raise into like a plastic ball. It actually stayed clean, so it was so easy to lay her lace back down. I like the Bold Hold Active. If anyone has any suggestions on any other lace glue that I should try, put it down in the comment section so maybe I can try another one, but I really like this Bold Hold Active glue. Her hair is also wet. I am using Lotta Body mixed with water, so 3 parts of water with 1 part of Lotta Body, and I will be using a little bit of Lotta Body coconut mousse also. So if you're interested in a how-to tutorial on how to do flexi rods, I have a couple on my channel that you can go back and search, and you'll definitely find a few of them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be posting another one real soon. And to my subscriber that asked for the cut video, it's coming up next. So stay tuned. I can't find your name, but hopefully I'll find you before I post it. So you guys have a good weekend and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.